over 24 hours left for the results of the Gujarat Assembly elections, every party is keeping their fingers crossed. While the exit polls are clearly backing Narendra Modi for a third term, the Congress remains optimistic about its chances. The Keshubhai Patel-led Gujarat Parivartan Party is also hopeful.
As the countdown begins for the judgment day of the Gujarat elections, a full-fledged political slugfest has erupted. Almost every party is claiming their victory in the state. But BJP, confident of their win, is already in a celebratory mood, with exit poll results in their favour predicting a hat-trick for Narendra Modi.
South, the major gainer for the BJP, it's up from 18 to 27, a big gain of 9 seats here. Central, a marginal dip from 18 to 15, but of course the region has also lost seats. They had 43, they'll now have 40. So largely you can still call it a stagnant or the same performance. North, yes, there is a dip. The region had almost the same seats last time. It's up by 1 seat, but the BJP is down from 38 to 32. Saurashtra, almost the same, 42. And therefore the total also almost coming up to the same, 116. Almost the same stagnant performance.
Factoring in the Gujarat Chief Minister's incredible connect with the masses.
नहीं, नरेंद्र भाई मोदी का जो शासन रहा गुजरात में 10 साल, वो उनके खिलाफ में कई कंट्रोवर्सी हुई, लेकिन उन्होंने एक बात पकड़ के रखी, उन्होंने पब्लिक के साथ सीधा अटैचमेंट रखा.
Controversial BJP leader Narhari Amil, who defected from the Congress to the BJP after 21 years of his association with the Congress, says Congress's flawed poll strategy will make them lose the elections. Infighting and groupism within the Congress state unit and constant interference from the Congress High Command could be the lead factors that would work against the Congress.
कांग्रेस पार्टी में एक कैप्टन नहीं थे, कई कैप्टन थे और इंटरनली इतनी लड़ाई लड़ते थे कि एक दूसरे के साथ हर रोज खाते पीते थे, साथ में बैठ के डिस्कशन करते थे, लेकिन चुनाव का अनाउंस होने के बाद ये आदमी नहीं जीतना चाहिए, ये आदमी को हराओ, ये आदमी को काटो, ये बात सीनियर लीडरों में पड़ी थी.
But the Congress, confident of overthrowing Modi's reign, is still keeping its fingers crossed.
ये मोदी गवर्नमेंट या बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट को वोट देने के लिए कोई रीजन नहीं था. उसका हराने का बहुत रीजन था लोगों के लिए, और ये रीजन की वजह से ही बाहर लोग आए और यही रीजन को वोट दिया कि ये सरकार यहाँ से गिरे.
But Gujarat elections this time around is not just about the Congress and BJP. A triangular contest staring Modi in the eye, with Keshubhai Patel's Gujarat Parivartan Party also vying for power in the state.
मैं सिर्फ जनता को एक संघर्ष, जो एक गृह राज्य मंत्री का संघर्ष है उनके परिवार का, वो ही बातें सबके बीच आज मैंने लाके रखी हुई है. और मैं इतना बताना चाहती हूँ कि गुजरात में एक अगर गृह मंत्री का परिवार अनसेफ रहता है तो आम आदमी की क्या हो सकती है.
With less than 24 hours remaining for the people's mandate to be made public, all eyes now on the results of Battleground Gujarat, considered to be the semi-finals for the 2014 general elections. Bureau Report, Times Now.